So we're all enjoying some Dairy Queen after that big gigantic meal at Outback Steakhouse. I got the large Oreo Blizzard, and then the kids got the brownie Blizzards. My wife got a Diet Coke. She's being good. I got a large cherry Coke. Oh! But anyway, I offered her the ice cream, but she's got to watch her sugar. I should be watching my sugar too. I watch my sugar enter my mouth, and then watch my sugar go into my belly. That's what I do. This is good. Look at that. How good that looks.
Hey, Dad, I have a question.
What's up, honey?
Is that your favorite blizzard?
Yep. It is.
Well, this one's good. Wait, right here.
Look at those you got the crunchy Oreos in there.
Right here, blizzard out of a 1 through 10.
10 out of 10.